What's up guys, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel. Alright guys, so in this video I'm going to be sharing a secret with you guys. Yes, a secret. I promise you guys I'm going to bring in some of the candlestick patterns I use. I've taught you about patterns, that is chart patterns. I've taught you about how support and resistance, trend line, most of the basic things you need to know as a trader. Now it's time for me to share a little bit of my candlestick patterns. Okay, this the setup. Okay, candlestick pattern setup that I use. Okay, some people actually said candlestick doesn't work, some actually accepted it works, but all the same, all I have to I kind of tell you guys here is just to test everything. Like, if you have the time, test everything, because you never know the ones that will work for you. So this is what I'm using, and I'm about to share a secret about candlestick stick pattern with you. And this particular pattern I'm going to be sharing is something simple to picture, and man, it's profitable guys. So there's no too much talk here, so let's dive into it immediately. So now I'm going to be sharing the image, okay, of this candlestick, okay, so that you guys can see. Now first, you are going to be using the morning and the evening star, okay, but pay close attention, right? You need to understand how what you are looking out for. Okay, so now you need to understand the arrangement of the candles, the wicks and everything. Now what we are looking for on crash 300, guys, remember, if you are new to my channel, subscribe. Okay, subscribe. Don't forget to leave a comment on the next video you want me to create. Okay, and if you have not subscribed to my currency pair channel, I will leave the link in this video description so that you can actually check out the currency pair channel, subscribe to the channel, and also enjoy the content right there. Okay, so now this is a very simple strategy, and we are going to be using this on, we are going to be looking for this candlestick patterns on 4 hours time frame. Okay, so basically we just have 4 hours time frame to check out for this particular candlestick pattern. So once you open your chart, you go down to 4 hours time frame. So on 4 hours time frame, you simply go check if you are seeing the candlestick pattern like this, morning star or evening star. You can give it a name of your choice, so it's not like the name, you must give it the name I just mentioned. Okay, so just understand the structure, how the candlestick, the arrangement. Okay, now once you see this candlestick, look at the points you are going to be buying. Look at the points you are going to be buying. Sorry, this is the point you are going to be selling. Here you are going to be buying, but this is not just it. Okay, you don't just buy anywhere because I said you are going to be buying here and selling here. So you need to watch this video to the end. So this video is going to be very brief and straight to the point. All right, so this is just the basic information about the strategy. You see this, you sell here and you buy here. Now you need a big candlestick. Now not just a big candlestick, there's something you need to understand. You must see the price trending to the downside this way before the formation of this candle. So if the price is ranging, guys, pay close attention. This is the game now. If the price is ranging, let's say the price is ranging between here and you are seeing this, maybe at any point here you are seeing this candlestick pattern, maybe somewhere here, please avoid this. This is not the kind of thing you want to be doing. You want to see first when the price is trending. Okay, if the price is pushing down this way, okay, let's say that the price is pushing down this way, okay, and at this point you discover this candlestick pattern, that is what we are looking for. That's what we want, right? If the price is trending up, okay, let's say that the price is also pushing up this way, okay, and as the price is pushing to this point, making the higher highs, higher low, higher highs, higher low, at this point you discover this candlestick. That is the point. That's what we are looking for. So if the price is just ranging and at any point here you see this candlestick, please, this is not what we are looking for. This is not what we want to end. This is not the kind of trade we want to enter. I don't know you guys, whether you guys are getting me. So this is the basic information about this strategy now, and I will share with you how to enter this trade. Remember, you're not just going to be selling here or buying here, right? So that's exactly the reason why you need to watch the video to the end. So that's exactly the structure of this setup. So let's go to the chart. So I've marked out few examples here so that we won't waste our time. Okay, so this is 4 hours time frame, and this is exactly the pattern I'm talking about. So if you look here, we have this big candlestick, bullish candle. What happens? The price is actually pushing to the upside this way, and as the price is pushing to the upside, we discover that pattern, right? We discover the pattern. So once you see the pattern, let me take this. This is the horizontal line. So you see this big one. Okay, we have the big bullish candle, we have the bearish and the bearish, okay, which is the bearish engulfing, anything like that. So bigger one. So you have the big, okay, the small and the big. So you need 3 candles. The big one, okay, the bullish should be big if the price is trending up like this one. The one in the middle should be smaller, okay, which I prefer it being a bearish candle if you are going to be selling. Then the next one is going to be a bearish candle. So this one is supposed to be bigger, okay, than this, the one in the middle. So the first and the third should be bigger candle, okay, they should be big or bigger than the one in the middle. That's the basic thing. So it doesn't matter whether the third candle is bigger than the first candle or the first candle is bigger than the third. Though what we need to see is that the third and the first candle should be bigger than the second candle, which is the candle in the middle. So look at exactly what I'm trying to say here. So if you look here, this bullish candle and bearish candle, both of them are bigger than this, right? So the same thing here, this and this, they are bigger than the one in the middle. So the one in the middle should just be the smaller candle. Okay, so that's all you need to know about this the setup. So now once you see this forming on 4 hours time frame, what do you have to do? Do you just jump in and sell at this point? Now if you sell here, this is 4 hours time frame, guys. So that's exactly the reason why I said you should watch the video to the end, and I'm sharing the secret already. I told you guys that this video is going to be brief, straight to the point, and also profitable, okay, or helpful. Now if the price closes this way and maybe you enter a sell at this point, okay, what happens most time is that the price can actually, your stop loss will be bigger, okay, kind of, okay. You expose a lot of your account, okay. So you can see the stop loss is so high, is high. For people who trade small account, it's going to be difficult for you to take the strategy this way. That's the reason why I've decided to find a way that will actually suit you. Trade this particular setup on a lower time frame and minimize your losses, okay. So now if you look right here, we are having this on 4 hours time frame. So what do you have to do? How do you actually take this trade? So instead of entering here, remember, if you have if I have a kind of account that can actually hold this trade to this level, or if the stop loss is not high, if the distance, that is the stop loss level, is not that big, like you are not risking big, please trade it on 4 hours time frame. But if you feel like the stop loss level, like if you check here, you see that maybe you're exposing a lot of this is about 415 pips, okay, in stop loss. So if the pips are more, let's say you have a very small account, this 115 pips is high for you, right? So that's the point, that's the time you now go to the next thing I'm going to be explaining, okay. But assuming on 4 hours time frame, what you're exposing is just like 100 pips or 50 pips or 150 pips, you trade it on 4 hours time frame, guys, okay. So now that you see this, we have pictured your setup, okay, on this time frame. So you simply go down to 15 minutes time frame, okay. You simply go down to 15 minutes time frame. That should be the time frame you are going to be making entry, guys, okay. So now we're on 15 minutes time frame. So what are we going to be doing on 15 minutes time frame? Once you see this dropping, okay, you two ways, okay, two ways. If the price created a channel like this, simply wait for the price to break your channel and you make entry on 15 minutes time frame, right? If this is the perfect, like the best entry for me if it happens, but it doesn't happen all the time. Once the price is up, you see, when you actually mark out that scene on 4 hours time frame to ensure that the price is trending up. Now if you see something like this on 15 minutes time frame, for me is the best, okay. And after breakout, the price started to retest again. So the best is this. After a breakout from your channel, remember I'm just drawing randomly, okay, that's why you're having this. So after a breakout from your channel, the price started to retest, and at the retest zone you sell there, that's going to be the next swing, and you set your stop loss maybe few pips above that swing. Okay, now you are minimizing your, instead of setting your stop loss here or anywhere, you set it somewhere here. Okay, because the price break out of your channel, retested, that's the first swing, you enter your trade on 15 minutes time frame. So now it doesn't happen all the time, sometimes it will not happen this way. Okay, so what are you going to be doing? You just wait, simply the price creates this movement. Okay, sometimes the price just break, you can actually make entry at the break of this channel. If the price created a channel, okay, that's the point you are going to be making entry. Now another way to take this is simply, once you see the price on 15 minutes time frame push down, okay, the price coming here, form the candlestick pattern right here, then push down, you are waiting for the first swing. Okay, once you see the first swing, that's the point you are going to be entering your sell at the first swing. Every first swing after that movement, after that bearish candlestick that will close as a big candle, which is going to signal your entry, you wait for the next pullback before you enter. Right, let me just go back to the charts. Okay, I have a lot of drawings already. Now if you look here, the price actually break out from our channel and a bit retested. Okay, at the same time, that's the next swing, that's the next swing at this point. So this is the point you are going to be making entry. Okay, then after the breakout, you can actually wait for first bearish engulfing candle, then you make entry, or you can actually enter once you see the swing, the small pullback, you enter. But if you want to also wait for another confirmation, you wait for this kind of candlestick. You can see this particular candle is the bearish engulfing, which is showing the selling power. You enter at the close of that bearish candle. Okay, your stop loss above the swing a bit or anything like that. Okay, so but if this thing is not high, you can actually shift your stop loss to the swing, okay, to just keep your account safe. But if it is high, set it at a little bit above the previous swing, okay, the current swing, guys. So that's exactly how to make entry. So we can actually scroll back to see other examples. Okay, this is for selling, then this is for buying. This, I've marked out these things. If I go to 4 hours, you are going to see we have the same signal right here. So what are we going to be doing? The price is dropping down, guys. The price is dropping first. Remember the condition. Now if the price is dropping, you put in your channel. You also put in your channel, that is your channel. So what happened? The price breakout. So you are taking this trade two ways. Okay, you're either taking the trade at the break of that channel, which is at this point. Okay, at the break of the channel, set your stop loss below the previous swing low. Your TP can be times 2, 3, 4, 5, any choice. That's your choice. Okay, you can take it here, or you take it at the first swing, which is going to be serving as the retest also right here. Okay, so you take it at the first swing, you make entry there. Your stop loss should be a bit, you know, below the current swing here, or you know, you can set your stop loss depending on whatever you want, but it should be below the current swing. Then your TP can be any point around here. So you see the two ways to take it: after the breakout from the channel, or after a retest or the first swing. I hope this is good. This is simple, this is easy to, you know, trade. Look at another example right here. So that's the third example right now. You see the price pushing up this way. So what do you have to do? Let me put in the line the right way. This is what you are going to have. Okay, it's exactly what you are going to be having. Now first, once you see this happen, the first point you are going to be taking the trade, if you are not waiting for a retest, is here. Sorry, is after the breakout from the channel. You can make entry after the breakout. Your stop loss above the swing. Okay, your TP could be anything. Okay, then the next one is here. That's another amazing one right there. After the retest, you wait for a bearish engulfing. Once you see it, you enter, set your stop loss above there. So this is the bearish engulfing signal that we got. After the retest, we got this candlestick right here. Okay, bearish engulfing is bigger than this So that is exactly the point you are going to be making entry. At the close of that candle, you're expected to sell at this point. So guys, this is a secret. Like I don't know how to say it, you know. I keep bringing you guys something very interesting, like, you know, but I keep getting, I don't know what's happening to you guys don't like the content, right? Because after creating this kind of videos, researching, backtesting, trading, and making sure that this strategy works well, bringing it to you and having just few likes, guys, is not encouraging. So encourage me, you know, to create more videos like this, okay? Because when you like my videos, the YouTube algorithm will see it as a valuable content, and possibly they are going to push it out for more people to watch, get connected, and also learn. So if you like the content, if you watch the content, even if you don't like the content but you watch, just like the video. For the fact that you have clicked on the video, just like it doesn't cost anything, no extra data, no extra stuff. So just like the video, leave a comment about how you feel on this strategy, whether you are going to be trying it out, whether you have started trying it out, or you have seen this strategy before. And I will see you guys in the next video. I hope you enjoyed this. Bye for now, guys. Remember to subscribe to the currency page channels if you trade currencies. So I have a channel where I create videos on currencies alone, trade live. You see my trading experience, everything you learn from my setup. Okay, so that's that for this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye for now, guys.